Hey guys, we just had one heck of a rainstorm here. As you can see, I'm soaked. I am thoroughly soaked. I'll switch it around. You can see. There's Andrew. Yeah, thunder wing. It's went from raining really hard and thundering and lightning to this. And as you can see, they're working on our street. So, yeah, it's bricks. There's all bricks underneath. I'll take y'all out here to see it. This is how our street looks right now. And I'm just standing here in the rain. And I think it's slowly starting to rain harder. I must be nuts for standing out here. And there's Andrew with his umbrella. He tries to put it over my head.
And the whole phone.
So, that's what's going on here in Pennsylvania, guys. Just lots of rain. And Arthur was supposed to be at a golf match. And the thunder and lightning, I think, may have... Ooh, it's raining harder. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Back up on the porch. Oh, my goodness. It's raining harder. I don't know if you guys can see that real well, but... Yep, it's raining harder. The river is going to start down the sidewalk again. And down the street. And I am once again still soaked. Because I started to feel a little drier there, and then I get soaked again. But there you go. Complete insanity. But yes, this is southwestern Pennsylvania weather. It's really good for our plants, as you can see. Look how green. Aren't they pretty? There's some beautiful. And if you didn't hear, Andrew said it's raining today, baby doll. He's taken to calling me baby doll because he heard his dad call me that. So I'm kind of stuck with that. Andrew, it's raining harder. Andrew, come up here. It's raining harder. Come up on. It's not gonna help. Oh, here it comes down harder. Oh my gosh. You see it falling. But yeah. I was sitting on the couch watching TV, but can't actually do that now because of the rain. But yeah, there you go, guys. I thought you guys would enjoy watching a silly little kid dance in the rain. This used to be one of my favorite things to do when I was little, is play in the rain. So, as long as I don't see any lightning or anything, it's cool with me. So, there you go. He's gonna be totally soaked, but that's what bathtubs and stuff are for. Bathtubs and towels and stuff. So, as the neighbor runs for cover. As you guys can see, it's raining really hard now. The river is starting again down the hill. And it's washing all this mud and gunk that the company left as they were grading off the hill. And it's all rushing down. It's all going into the sewer, and hopefully nothing backs up, because that would really suck. If you listen, you can hear it. I love the sound of rain, guys. I just love it. You can see the little rapids over there. Haha, we got rapids. Oh, I thought that dude was gonna splash my kid. I would have been like, what? But there you go. Alright guys, bye.